so see on page number 32, 31 we have completed. Page number 32. Pauline G. Obstinately. We want a few mad people now. Pauline G ने कहा कि जैसे तुम कह रहे हो, you are saying that I have become mad like that girl Joan. So we want some few mad people for our country. Okay, जो देश के लिए, देश को फ्रीडम दिलाने के लिए मैड है, उन लोगों की हमें जरूरत है, ऐसा पॉलिन जी ने कहा. See where the same ones have landed us. Robert, I feel like a fool. Still, if you feel sure. Robert is feeling that it is like a foolishness. ये सब foolishness हो रहा है. And he asked, if you feel sure that you want to go with girl. Pauline G ने कहा इसके बाद, I feel sure enough to take her to Chinon. Pauline G is sure enough to take Joan to Chinon unless you stop me. रॉबर्ट को कहा कि जब तक तुम मुझे रोकते नहीं, if you don't stop me, I will sure take that girl to Chinon. Robert, do you think I ought to have another talk with her? Robert asked. Pauline G, going to the window. Yes, means yes, you ought to talk with that girl. Pauline G said, and he went to window and he called Joan. Joan, come up. Okay, Joan को कॉल किया and Joan enters. Pauline G, gravely means seriously. Pauline G said seriously, be seated Joan. Robert, what is your name? Joan, they always called me Jenny in Lorraine. Here in France, I am Joan. The soldiers call me the maid. Okay, Robert didn't know about that girl. Robert didn't know her name, so he asked, and Jenny answered. Joan answered. What Joan answered? People call her Jenny in Lorraine. Okay, in Lorraine area or in Lorraine, people call her Jenny. In France, she is a Joan. France में उसे Joan नाम से बुलाते हैं, and the soldiers in France call her maid. Okay, Robert, how old are you? Joan, 17. So they tell me. They tell me means people tell me that I am, means Joan is 17 years old. It might be 19. I don't remember. Joan said it might be 19. Maybe I am 19 years old, but I don't remember exactly my birth date or my age. Robert, I suppose you think raising a sage is as easy as chasing a cow out of a meadow? Robert told her, I suppose you think, means girl Joan, okay, do you think or you think raising a sage? Raising a sage means, raising a sage का मीनिंग क्या है? मतलब एक बहुत बड़ा फ्रेज है, देखिए उसके बाजू में मीनिंग दिया है, surround from all sides and attack, removing the forces surrounding a place. I will repeat. Raising a siege means surround from all sides and attack, removing the forces surrounding a place. Means it is playing war. Okay, participating war. तो रॉबर्ट ने कहा कि क्या तुम्हें लगता है कि वॉर में पार्टिसिपेट करना या वॉर करना, युद्ध लड़ना, ये एक इजी टास्क है? इट इज एज इजी एज चेजिंग अ काउ आउट ऑफ अ मीडो. मतलब ये क्या एग्रीकल्चर टास्क से इतना, मतलब उससे इतना, उसके इतना इजी है? इट इज नॉट इजी. पार्टिसिपेटिंग वॉर या वॉर में भाग लेना, युद्ध में भाग लेना, युद्ध लड़ना तुम्हारे जैसे उम्र की लड़की के लिए इजी नहीं है. वॉर इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट टास्क. You think soldiering is anybody's job? Anybody can become soldier? Robert asked. Becoming soldier is not anybody's job, is not anybody's task. Robert wanted to say. Joan, I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. But Joan was confident. She said, if God is on your side, any task or any job is not be very difficult for us. Robert, grimly means seriously. Have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? Okay, have you any experience of fighting? Have you do you have any experience of war? Have you ever seen them plundering, burning, turning the countryside into desert? मींस सोल्जर्स को क्या तुमने देखा है? हैव यू सीन देम प्लंडरिंग? प्लंडरिंग मींस लूटिंग, लूटना। युद्ध में लूटपाट भी होता है, एक दूसरे को लूटते हैं, काटते हैं। तो हैव यू सीन देम लूट? हैव यू सीन इंग्लिश सोल्जर्स लूटिंग, बर्निंग अदर पीपल और बर्निंग हट्स, देन टर्निंग द कंट्रीसाइड इनटू डेजर्ट? किसी भी कंट्रीसाइड को डेजर्ट बनाना मतलब उसको वीरान कर देना। युद्ध होता है मतलब एक दूसरे पर वार ही नहीं होता, युद्ध के साथ साथ बहुत बड़ा नुकसान भी होता है। जैसे कि सैनिक बहुत लूटपाट मचाते हैं, घरों को जला देते हैं या दूसरों को बहुत बुरी तरह से मार देते हैं। एक जो कंट्री होती है या जो वो राज्य होता है उसको एक वीरान जगह डेजर्ट जैसे बना देते हैं। तो ये सब क्या तुमने एक्सपीरियंस किया है? हैव यू एक्सपीरियंस ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज ऑफ वॉर? रॉबर्ट आस्क्ड टू जो। Have you heard no tales of their prince, who is the devil himself, or of the English king's father? Have you heard? Have you heard tales? Have you heard stories about their prince, English prince, who is devil? English prince खुद एक devil है. Devil is a wicked person. He is like a monster. बहुत बुरा आदमी है वो. क्या उसके बारे में तुमने स्टोरीज पढ़ी है? और of the English king's father या English kings के फादर में कुछ तुम्हें जानकारी है? Do you have any information about that prince or about English king's father? Do you have any information about war? Have you seen English soldiers participating in war? Have you seen English soldiers plundering, burning and turning the countryside into desert? Robert is asking John. John, you do not understand squire. Squire means officer. Our soldiers are always beaten because they are fighting only to save their skins, and the shortest way to save your skin is to run away. See, Joan is very confident, okay? And Joan is very confident. She has very encouraged, and she said, "You do not understand, squire. Our soldiers, means soldiers of France, always beaten. वो हमेशा beaten होते हैं, मतलब क्या? They are always defeated. Why they are always defeated? Because they fight only to save their skins. To save their skins means to save their lives. French soldiers always fight to save their lives. Okay? और अपनी जान बचाने के लिए वो लड़ते हैं, ना कि वो कंट्री के लिए वॉर करते हैं। The shortest way to save your skin is to run away. और तुम्हारी लाइफ बचाने का, जान बचाने का सबसे इजी वे है, शॉर्टेस्ट वे है टू रन अवे फ्रॉम द बैटलफील्ड। बैटलफील्ड से भाग जाना। अगर तुम्हारी जान बचानी है तो भाग जाओ। ओके, दिस इज द वेरी इजी एंड शॉर्टेस्ट वे टू सेव योर लाइफ। मींस फ्रेंच पीपल डू नॉट फाइट फॉर द कंट्री, दे ओनली फाइट to save their skin, to save their life, and many times they run away from the battlefield. That is why French soldiers are always defeated. But I will teach them all to fight for France. जोन ने कहा, लेकिन इन सब सोल्जर्स को मैं टीच करूंगी कि तुम फ्रांस के लिए फाइट करो, तुम फ्रांस के लिए वॉर करो, ना कि जान बचाने के लिए। ओके, don't bother about your life, don't worry about your life, just fight for France. I will teach, means John would teach all soldiers of France. Then they will drive the soldiers before them like a ship. अगर उनमें ये encouragement हमने डाल दिया कि तुम फ्रांस के लिए लड़ो, अपनी कंट्री के लिए लड़ो, तो वो क्या करेंगे? They will run away, they will drive. Okay, they will run away means not they will run away from the battlefield, they will let run away the British soldiers from the battlefield. वो battlefield से British soldiers को drive करेंगे, उनको निकाल देंगे, उनके साथ कड़ा मुकाबला करेंगे। Before them like a ship, भगा देंगे उनको battlefield से, British soldiers को French soldiers battlefield से भगा देंगे। You and Polly will live to see the day when there will not be a single English soldiers on the soil of France. You and Polly, you will live, okay? You will exist to see the day will come. On that day, there was not a single, there will be not a single soldier. एक भी soldier नहीं बचेगा। पेज नंबर 32 हमारा कंप्लीट हुआ। पेज नंबर 33। There will be no single soldier, English soldier on the soil of France. Joan is very much confident on her task, on her participation in the war. Okay, page number 33. Robert to Polenji. This may all be nonsense, Polly. Polly, this is nonsense. But the troops might just be inspired by it, though nothing that we say seems to put any fire into them. But the troops will be encouraged. The troops just be inspired or they might be inspired if we put fire into them. अगर हम उनमें एनकरेजमेंट क्रिएट करते हैं तो वो इंस्पायर हो सकते हैं. रॉबर्ट ने एग्री किया. इवन द डॉल्फिन माइट बिलीव इट. डॉल्फिन भी इस पे बिलीव कर सकता है. एंड इफ शी कैन पुट सम fire over, I think she can put some fire into him, she can put it into anybody. अगर वो मतलब मतलब डॉल्फिन में अगर इंस्पायर, डॉल्फिन को अगर वो इंस्पायर कर सकती है तो वो किसी को भी इंस्पायर कर सकती है. मतलब if she can inspire dolphin, she can inspire anybody. Means if she can put some fire into dolphin, she can put fire into anybody. रॉबर्ट को एक थोड़ा सा बिलीव हो गया जॉन पे. अगेन रॉबर्ट सेड, टर्निंग टू जॉन, नाउ यू listen to me and don't cut in before I have time to think. Don't cut in, don't cut my words, or don't stop me, you can say. Don't stop me before I have time to think. Your orders are that you are to go to Chinon under the escort of this gentleman and 3 of his friends. So finally Robert was also inspired by the words of Joel and he is ready. So he told Joel that your orders are ready. Your orders are ready and you have to go to Chinon under the escort. Escort means protection. You have to go in the protection of this gentleman Polenji and 3 of his friends. Joan, radiant. Radiant means she was very much happy. So Joan became happy, clasping her hands. Oh, thank you, Squire. Polenji, how is she to get into the royal presence? Okay, how will she get into that royal presence, into that royal resident Chinon? Chinon में वो कैसे जाएगी? Robert, I don't know. How did she get into my presence? वो मेरे presence में या मेरे मतलब ऑफिस में कैसे आ गई? मेरे रेसिडेंस में कैसे आ गई? तो वैसे वो she will get into that residence or royal presence also. I will send her to Chinon and she can say I sent her. Okay? अगर वो वहाँ जाती है तो वो वहाँ मेरा नाम बता सकती है. She can say that I sent her. Means Robert sent her. Then let come what may. Let come what may means let anything happen. Okay? कुछ भी होने दो. Let anything happen. She can tell my name. Okay. I can do no more. I can do only much thing. I can do no more. Joel and the dress, soldier's dress. I may have a soldier's dress, Squire. I want soldier's dress. मुझे वो चाहिए. Robert, take what you please. Means take what you want. Take which dress, which soldier's dress do you want? I wash my hands off it. I wash my hands off it means I will not take any responsibility of that dress. Yeah, I will not take any responsibility of anything. रॉबर्ट ने कहा. जोन, wildly excited by her success. Joan is wildly excited. She is very much excited by her success. Come, Polly, and she dashes out. She dashes out means she rushes out from that place. She goes quickly from that place. Robert, shaking Polenji's hand. Goodbye, old man. I am taking a big chance. I am taking a big risk that I am sending Joan to Chinon. Few other men would have done it, but as you say, there is something about her. लेकिन तुमने जैसा कहा कि there is something about in that girl, Polenji. Yes, there is something about her. Goodbye. George Bernard Shaw is the writer of the lesson. Very easy lesson this is, and I hope you have understood this lesson. Okay. Rest of the part of the lesson we will learn in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.